Meron daw po ba kayong proof, sir, na mapapakita na talagang nagamit ni Senator Poe?
Dalawang dokumento. Ang isa yung kanyang questionnaire information on possible loss of U.S. nationality na kanyang pinail sa U.S. Embassy dito sa Manila, at saka yung kanyang motion for reconsideration sa adverse decision ng First Division of the COMELEC na pinail niya, and then yon ay kinonsider ng en banc ng COMELEC. At yun ang naging basehan din ng pag-deny ng kanilang motion for reconsideration.
Sir, ano po nakasulat ba dun sa questionnaire na yun?
Well, sa questionnaire, sinasabi niya na ginagamit niya yung US passport niya whenever she travels to and from the United States. So yan ang isang admission na ginawa ni Senator Poe. At yan ay kinorroborate ng kanyang mismong motion for reconsideration. Sinabi niya doon na ginamit niya from 2006 to 2011.
To 2011, siya mismo po nagsabi?
Siya mismo nagsabi. In fact, nasa resolution niya ng en banc ng COMELEC. And so, walang katotohanan yung sinasabi nila na hanggang 2010 lang. Kasi siya mismo nagsabi 2011 eh.
Sir, pero questionnaires yun, meron ba kayo like records from immigration?
Immigration, yes.
Sinasabi niya, well, of course, it's very difficult for our government to get information from the US government. Alam niyo naman na US passport ang ginagamit. So walang access yung BID natin. So naturally, hindi tayo makakuha ng travel record from the US Department of State. So that's the reason why we have to rely on other documents to prove our point.
So yung records dito, paano yung immigration natin? Wala silang records ng
Wala. Up to 2010 lang yung sa immigration records ng BID natin. Pero yung admissions mismo ni Senator Poe, yun ay isang ebidensya under the rules of court.
So sir, yung ginagamit niya dun sa meron tayong records up to 2010, hindi US passport ang ginamit niya? At least yung meron tayo.
Up to 2010, US passport pa rin.
Yung sa BID rin na
Yes,
record
yes,
How
yes.
come naman yung 2011 biglang wala ng record?
Well, I don't know. Kasi, nag-file siya ng renunciation in October 2010. Naturally, itatago niya yung paggamit ng US passport after October 2010. Because magkakaroon ng epekto yon sa kanyang renunciation of American citizenship. It will constitute yung katulad na nangyari doon sa Makiling, di ba? So, yung kanyang oath of renunciation maapektuhan, and that will cause her disqualification from the service. Yes, it was brought up. In fact, inilabas ni Justice De Castro yan. Nilabas yan, tinanong yan kay, if I'm not mistaken, kay Attorney Poblado.
Sir, sorry sabi niya po kanina, yung paggamit niya ng US passport, mahirap makakuha tayo ng record because US yung...
Yeah,
pero sabi niyo rin po, yung BID records using US passport din po yung ginamit niya.
Yeah, but for the record use of passport after October 2010, wala nang travel information yung BID. I don't know why. I don't know why kasi wala naman tayong access din sa BID insofar as that record is concerned. The BID should better come up with a statement on that.
So mostly po sir, yung mga allegations po natin are based only on her own admissions?
Yeah, and under the rules of evidence, admissions are as good as proof.